Now see what happens when you use Spraylite Cooking Spray on the one hand and regular oil on the other hand. Let's experiment with an omelette. I'm going to spray this pan with Spraylite Cooking Spray, while Samya here is using regular cooking oil. Have gone a little overboard. With regular oil, we tend to put more oil because we don't want the food to stick to the pan. But with Spraylite, you use hardly any oil. One spoon of regular cooking oil contains 122 calories and almost 14 grams of fat, while a regular spray of Spraylite is less than 2 calories and less than 1/4 gram of fat.
To know more about Spraylite, just call our consumer helpline 022 4052 1777 from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. For more information, great tips and delicious recipes using Spraylite Cooking Spray, visit our website www.spraylite.in or log on to our Facebook fan page www.facebook.com/Spraylite to know about ongoing offers and exciting contests.